Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to send audio file on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the first option is by using the Cloud Link Share, which is the fastest way. So let's say, for example, you have the audio under your Google Drive or Dropbox or any other cloud service, okay? Or if you don't have it in here yet, well, you can just upload it. Upload. Now select the audio. Just like so, select and wait for it to upload. So here we have it. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, open up the audio, tap on share or tap on the 3 dots and then tap on manage access. And make sure that you change this one to anyone with a link. All right. Once that's done, or once the permission is updated, go ahead and copy the link and send it to whoever you want under Instagram or any other messaging apps. Okay? Just like so. Here's the Google Drive link. Now, another option, you can go ahead and convert the audio to an MP4 video file. You could use a editing app like CapCut, InShot, or Canva. Okay? Just basically add in the music with a blank video with it. And then just export it as an MP4 and send it right here from your gallery. All right. And those are the ways to send an audio file on Instagram. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.